up, people? So we're gonna do is make a video. We are gonna actually try this, see how this works out. Looks like I think Levon Miller, is that his name? Firepunk. Sorry if I killed that. I had his name wrong on my thing, but let's see, where is it at? But yeah, we're gonna try this today and see what happens. So it says straight up to 11 quarts of oil, so we're gonna put everything in it. So it says 1.5 oil ounces per quart. So when we have about 12 ounces, so it says straight up to 11. And there's all the stuff. Increase horsepower, increase fuel economy, reduces oil operating temperature, reduces engine wear, restores lost compression, reduces lifter and valve noise. So, just like I always do, kind of go through the stuff. You can pause it and read it if you want to. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm emptying out the oil right now, so let's see what happens. See how it sounds. Oh geez. Oh man. Oh. Okay, sorry about that. So I'm here to tell you kind of more about the FR3 Hotshots oil additive thing, the oil. I've noticed that it's run actually pretty good. It's run smooth. There's some like kind of like a surge kind of deal that was going on, like a little tiny thing, and it just seems like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but everything, you just gotta believe me, it makes it, I don't know, there's something about it that's just different. It's not something that's so dramatic like, oh my god, it's like a brand new truck and this and that. I mean, it helps, you can feel it just a little bit, but I mean, other than that, I mean, like, it's definitely worth it. I mean, it's, you know, added like easy, like an easy mod, if you even want to call it a mod, just some additive you add, and it would help. And it's not gonna hurt, and it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it runs better. I do a video outside, but it's windy, like it's always been last couple of videos. But I'll put down a link below to get some. If you need to buy some, if you don't have some local, you can get on Amazon. It's like $30. I found mine at I cannot remember, it's been a while now. It's probably like Walmart or Cal Ranch. I can't remember where I got it, but yeah, it was only like $30 though, so I mean, it's worth it. If you're gonna, you might as well, I mean, just try it out. I mean, I'm pretty sure you won't regret it and you'll love it. And now I gotta do now I just gotta get some of the diesel treatment, and I think it'll run a lot better. So thumbs up for me, maybe 2 thumbs up, but I like it and have no complaints whatsoever. So stay tuned down below, and I will get you a link for it.